snail don't have a head on it. The head's bare on it.
What about if you do the one up top?
I need one close to the bottom so you can jump up and get out. But I don't want to break it either.
We can fix it. There we go. There we go.
Just gotta do it carefully.
Oh.
Alright, there we go.
Alright. Yay. Okay.
Oh, there is a little blood there.
Told you.
It is a baby though, I think.
I don't know how we're
Let me
gonna.
see.
You need to put gloves on.
No, I'm just gonna let it get out itself. Look, it's running. It's back to that side. Here, hold the camera again. I'll just make it. I'll pry this up like this. You can hold this part in the camera, and I'll bring it back this way with the.
Oh my God! There's blood everywhere, Philip.
Just the camera. The camera. I'm gonna push it back that way with the boom. Keep it pried over.
Oh, it's right here. It's right here.
Here,
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Not you. Not you, dog.
Hello, baby. Are you
Okay.
hurt in there? Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go.
Babe.
She's out. Yay. She's out. It's out. That's a big one.
It's a baby, though.
No.
You filming it?
It's right here. On the tire.
All right. Let me see this. Yay. We did it. And there it goes. It's fine. Look, it flew away. What was that?
Cookie.
You sure? Unless it's another one.
There's no way.
Why is Mama still there? She just seen him fly away.
What the hell is that noise?
There's something else back there. Baby girl. Baby girl can... Look, she hears it. She can smell it. There's something else back there too, but maybe not in the middle, on the other side, behind them buckets. Baby girl's got a nose like no other.
Cookie's over here fucking with something.
Oh, it's the cat. She probably smells the blood then. That bird's fine. It probably was bleeding from her scratching at it or something, but it flew away perfect, so all's well ends well.